if you are about to apply for YouTube partnership program, which is setting up your monetization, please you need to pay attention. And also, let's assume that you have applied for the YouTube partnership program and you have this particular issue with your AdSense. Let's say the mistake must have been done and you are looking for a way out. This video is going to really help you, because in the space of a month plus now, I have been working on different AdSense issue, and I'm going to be talking about the most popular one or the most common one. Okay, that is why I keep hitting on, before you apply for YouTube program, you have to make sure that every single document is ready, and do not make mistake when it comes to setting up your AdSense, because AdSense is a different platform on its own. They are just collaborating with YouTube in terms of payments. Do you understand? AdSense works with Google Direct. So anytime you make mistake with AdSense, it's usually hard to rectify. YouTube has no business. You have to rectify it with them. Just like the same way if you have issue with YouTube. So try your best to make sure to pay attention, as I'll be sharing with us this particular issue and how you can fix it. Okay. With that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now, first of all, if you're surprised with this my current background, just know that I recently traveled home. Yeah, I traveled to the village. That is why you're seeing this background, and that's what we're going to be using for the main time till I'm back. Okay, yeah. So just pardon me for the main time. Okay. Now let's get into the business of the day. You have to understand that AdSense is a platform on its own that helps YouTube to pay its creators. So when you are setting up an AdSense account, that is for you to understand how careful you need to be with every single information you are giving out there. And another thing is that you are only allowed to create one AdSense account. So if you plan on having 5 YouTube channels, if you plan on having 3 YouTube channels, either you get people to help you create AdSense for the other 2 accounts, or you do what we call linking up together. That is, for instance, as I have this my channel and I also have this my other channel, which is Life of Princess Chiamaka. They are both linked together because I just wanted them to be linked together. But I also do have 2 other faceless channels, but those two, they are not linked together. Like, they are separated from each other. And how was I able to do that? I had to use another person's information. I have sibling, I have my husband as well. So that is for you to understand the importance of providing the right information and not making mistakes. Okay. So now back to some of the cases I handled last week. The most common one is this particular issue here, telling you that your AdSense account is having issue, or it has been terminated or cannot be fixed. Instead of panicking, instead of waiting, instead of writing emails to them, because these people, that is AdSense itself, you can send them email today and they respond to you in a month's time. We have done this over and over, though it depends on the particular issue you are having. But if you notice that the account, your own personal account, is having issue already, instead of constantly sending them email, what you can just do is to simply follow this procedure that I did with some of the students I have worked with lately, and they are currently monetized and earning on YouTube. Just that there's one side to it. You are not going to be using your personal information anymore. Okay. Now, another scenario is, some of us, we must have done things with Google in the past, and we may not even know that, okay, we have created AdSense accounts in the past. And that is why sometimes when you're setting up your AdSense accounts, that is after creating it, you will see them telling you that you already have an existing AdSense account somewhere. Most of the times you'll be confused, you'll be wondering, how can I even get rid of this? Sometimes the best way is to block it. Then if it successfully gets blocked, then you can go ahead and reuse your information again. But most of the times you might not even see that option for you to block it. So instead of waiting and waiting and your money will just be piling up on YouTube, the best thing you can do is the option that I used with this my students lately. Use another person's information to create an AdSense account instead of using your own personal information. And how can you do that? We have siblings, you have your parents, maybe you have your husband, somebody you can trust, somebody who that is whenever your money drops on his or her account, you can easily access it. So that is the person you're going to be using his or her information for your AdSense. The reason why I'm making this reference is the one of the person I worked with about 2 weeks ago. This lady has been, that is, her money has been piling up since January, and she has been waiting for AdSense to get back to her. Imagine imagine how long. And the issue is that sometimes AdSense will just be getting back to you with some unreasonable feedback. I just thought that, you know what, don't wait for these people again, let's just follow this procedure. She used her husband detail. The man went ahead to create dollar accounts, went ahead to print out his NIN card. That is every single thing she'd been needing for that account. That was what her husband provided. And what did we do together? I helped her to use his information and set up and create a new AdSense account. And YouTube accepted it in less than 2 days. So currently she has been paid. She has been paid I think about 2 months now. They're just, I believe that before this month ends, they're going to still send her more paycheck. They've paid her for January, they paid her for February. So what I'm trying to say is that there are some cases that you will have on AdSense that maybe your own details is not working. Instead of waiting and waiting and waiting for AdSense, just go ahead and use another person's information. Okay, still the same process. After accepting that review based term, the next thing you need to do is for you to create AdSense. So when that option pops up, if you have existing AdSense or not, just say no, you want to create new one. Then use that person's information, the person's name, the way it's been written on the NIN, that is the way it's been written both on the dollar account as well. Then after everything, submit it. So now when you want to do facial verification, it's still that same person that is going to be doing the face verification. This thing does not have any effect to your channel, nothing at all. But the main case is doing it with somebody that you trust. Okay, somebody that you know that, once YouTube send my money, I just need to contact the person and the person send it directly to me. And the good thing that you can as well change AdSense. That is, whosoever you use this year, next year you can decide to remove the person and use another person. Okay, so I know sometimes some of us find this very very difficult, because I've had some cases that they'll be like, oh princess, I don't have siblings, my parents cannot even go through all this stress, how do I do it? Just try your best to find a way out. Okay, that is, if your own information, if your own details cannot be used, instead of waiting and waiting for AdSense, use somebody else information. Okay, so in my next video I think we're going to be discussing about another common AdSense issue, though that one is really really a long process, because there are so many things you need to put here and there for you to actually get it fixed. Okay, so I believe you find this video helpful, and if you do, do well to make sure to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share so that this video can get to a lot of other YouTubers out there. Okay, and I must apologize, neglect, that is, don't mind my son in the background. I've been trying to get him seated so that I can shoot this video in peace, but you know how kids are, they're going to always show up. So just manage anyhow you see my content for the meantime till I'm back to base. Okay, so go down to the comment and drop me your question if you have any question, or if you have any current AdSense issue that you would like to maybe work on or fix, just let me know. Okay, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Say bye.